Hello everyone. Every tip I'm going to give you here has been tested by professionals in the workshop where I'm at. So don't worry. This can be fixed. When inspecting a Peugeot with this warning, the first thing we notice is that it doesn't always mean the physical brakes are failing. Often, it's the system that prevents the car from rolling backward on slopes, detecting something unusual in its sensors or in communication with the computer. Some customers have told us the message appeared suddenly, but the car was driving perfectly. One of the workshop technicians explains, sometimes these systems are so sensitive that any odd reading triggers a safety warning. In fact, after examining several cases, we've seen that this error can come along with other warnings, such as ABS, ESP, or the parking brake. That's why every time a car comes in with this alert, we always check for multiple erratic signals, because that usually indicates the cause may be more electronic than mechanical. One customer said, "I got several errors at the same time, but braking felt normal," which confirms this idea. On the other hand, many issues are caused by low-charged batteries or loose terminals. In the workshop, we've confirmed that if the voltage isn't stable, the car's electronic systems receive inaccurate signals, which triggers warnings like the anti-rollback alert. Several customers agreed that after replacing the battery, the errors disappeared completely, something we always check before touching more complex sensors or modules. Meanwhile, dirty or poorly connected sensors can also generate the message. In a recent case, the camera and brake sensors were covered in dust and moisture, and after cleaning them, the warning disappeared. One technician told us, "A dirty or poorly connected sensor can fool the entire system, making it think there's a fault when everything is fine." From other workshop experiences, some customers had to go to the dealership where they found that a brake pedal sensor was out of range or the front camera required recalibration. After replacing the part or updating the software, the message disappeared. This shows that even if the car brakes perfectly, the electronic system can misinterpret a sensor signal and activate the warning as a safety measure. As for the most practical solutions we apply, we always recommend cleaning the sensors and front camera, ensuring the windshield is clean, checking fuses and electrical connections, and inspecting the battery. If the message persists after these steps, the safest option is to take the Peugeot to an authorized workshop or someone with advanced diagnostic tools.